Hello and welcome to Only Social. In today's video, we are diving into a feature that will revolutionize how you connect with your family, friends, and business partners online. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step on how to tag Instagram users on your photos. Whether it's a cherished family memory, a fun team snapshot, or a business collaboration, tagging ensures everyone is in the picture. Ready to enhance your social media experience? Let's get started. First, from your Only Social account dashboard, navigate to the Create Post, then enter the caption for your post. Keep it engaging and make sure the caption is relevant to photo you're about to share. Upload the photo you wish to tag people in. It could be your family, friends, team, or business partners. Once you have attached the photo, click on it. Directly below, you will find the Select Action button. Click on it and choose Tag Users. Enter the username of the person you wish to tag. For tagging multiple users, simply press Enter or separate each username with commas. Take a moment to ensure all desired usernames are included. Once you're satisfied with the tagged users, simply click out of the image or close the tagging interface. Rest assured, your tags are automatically saved. After tagging, you can proceed to share your post. All tagged users will receive a notification. Once they accept, your post will not only be shared with them, but also with their followers. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly tag Instagram users on your photos using Only Social. By tagging, you're not just sharing a moment, you're connecting communities. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.